Zambia One Nation, balimiletera kona Opa TV, educational content kusambirila kona ku Opa TV, no buswako fisuma baleshibisha konefya kula ichingirila.
Hello and welcome to this interview. My name is Chileshe Perpetual. Today I am so thrilled and I'm so happy to be speaking to
A2 Africa. Yeah, thank you for the interview. Yeah, this is A2 Africa, students advocate. Yeah, we get it right here. Yeah.
Alright, thank you so much. So A2 Africa is a well-talented and accomplished musician. So today we're going to be learning about his journey on how he began his early beginnings of his career and up to the current success. So A2, why don't you just tell us a little bit more about yourself? Maybe you can just give a brief introduction to the viewers.
I'll talk about Ida vya kwatiri myangu shakufelaka. Kama alishafe bonzi kwamba fi yakobati bale mfafe buino shano ni artist once but by time yakobati it's hard for you to do music. It's hard for you to do to go to the studio. Money is hard, you know that guy. But there is also that time where like kuna fe support ile yakobati ile kuchitafe motivated you can do music more and more. So like I'll talk about that part. So like when I enrolled at Eden University, whatever thing about guy go for to limba mfia kwa fati ba mfa ko fe gono fe dia na music na ri profession kai na itema sana ma students. So na say mako sana nini mbosha ma students machangi check your portal. I thought maybe Eden would like it, but all the schools in Lusaka, Unza, Apex and so many other schools.
Okay.
Basa to my dori ma. Na nina saba ku kwatiri mbi. Basa mbika kwa pamudu ne shale mwana tine kwa artist. After one basa mbika mwichimwe na saba mwana kumonata. I think I'm doing it. I'm an artist. Yeah. So yeah, motivated me the most.
Okay. So most of the times you are found singing songs concerning students, right? Emotional students. Like that's it's typically in that area.
Yeah, typically like kuna time ndio kwa bati uliko pass school. When pass school you should focus on school and should focus on what those students they want. If you see maybe the nimbo sham church sometimes okay my students but I'm church
Yes.
but kuna kwa na times akwa bati kuna kwa sheni mbonje mbesha kwa bati limbi CA. I'm a student, you know, you need to get a CA.
Yeah.
40% or 50%. So our students they know the CA.
Yeah.
Most of the students, they know the student machangi. In fact, all the students, they like chunks, you know.
Yeah, exactly.
Everybody, I'm a student.
Yeah.
The portal, everyone checks the portal.
Yeah.
Who doesn't check the portal? One's checking on the portal. So like I'm focused on the students when I'm at school.
Alright, thank you so much for that wonderful story, because I believe it has inspired a lot of people, a lot of viewers that are watching this video. But even before we close this chapter, I would love to find out, who supports you in your music industry, because I believe to say, in this world you cannot succeed alone. There are always people behind. So do you have anybody managing you?
Yeah, there's some people who are managing me right now, but I not. But the one who supports me like big time, I'm going to explain about him at the last. Yeah, so like the champ is always at last.
Exactly.
Yeah. So like Kwaliba Abanza Potabe, Kwaliba Drophouse Music Kit. That one is my producer and my brother. There is also Vincent. Vincent, that's my CEO from the group. There is also Prince Mike, my G. He supports me from the TWT. Even the TWT itself, the team. Yeah.
Alright, so even as we are wrapping up, thank you so much A2 Africa for that inspiring story, and it was so insightful. And we really appreciate for your vulnerability as well as your honesty. And so I believe that somebody who's watching this video is going to be so inspired by your life journey. So maybe if you have any last words for your viewers, would you love to say something to your viewers?
Yeah, so much for our life. Me, I'm an upcoming artist, and all those who wants to work with me, Unza, and I would say, kind of Unza wants to tell you yes, Kuru, Zambia. So I would like to say, if you would like to work with me, I'm a student advocate, and I'm an artist based on students and the whole Africa. Because I'm into Africa. So I said, whatever best idea, I'm here. You can contact me. Now I'm going to host it. Bala bika po channel and Pansha paso. Bala bika po YouTube. So you can locate me like that. I'm A2Africa. Spelling in A/2. Mavika pona ka WO. Kapana space, then Africa, Mwansanga, A2Africa, everywhere, all the platforms in Africa and all the platforms in the world, hosted by JBK. So yeah, this is going for film. Otherwise, could have been as an upcoming artist. Never mind to go back on market. To shine, never mind
Alright, thank you so much. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and don't forget to locate him as well. We're going to put the details down. Just make sure you locate him so that you know one day you might collaborate. And so don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel and turn on that bell. Thank you so much.
One Zambia, one nation, bali milete la kona Hopa TV, educational content kusambiri la kona ku Hopa TV, no buswako fisuma bale shibisha konefya kula ichingilila TV, na music content fya kushana fisangwa ku Hopa TV.